Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. I'll be demonstrating how I created this skin zucchini. So here I have two zucchinis that are similar in size. I'm going to use an ice cream scooper, fish scaler, and a peeler and a knife. First you want to take the bigger zucchini of the two and put the smaller one on the side. Cut the bigger zucchini in half. And then you can take your ice cream scooper or the fish scaler and start coring out the inside. And you want to save it and cook it, that way you can eat it and you don't waste anything. So here's the first half that is finished. You can put it on the side and work on the next half. These are the two halves that are finished coring, and the insides I placed in the bowl that I will be saving for later. And taking the second zucchini, you want to cut the top off. With the peeler, now skin the zucchini. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, drop a thumbs up and please comment and subscribe.